Hey there, yogis. Welcome to Embrace Change Yoga. My name is Dafina, and today I am excited to guide you through this meditation and affirmation journey. Today we will focus on expressing and welcoming more gratitude. Let's begin. Sitting or lying comfortably, take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Take 2 more deep breaths in silence, feeling the tension leaving your body as you breathe out. Connect to your inner source, pulling the energy up from your feet through your pelvic floor and core, raising the energy up through your spine and chest. Feel the energy reach up through your palms to your shoulders, neck, and the top of your head. Feel the tension releasing from your head, neck, shoulders, back, and hips as you breathe out. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding your body. With each breath, this light grows brighter, creating a sense of peace, safety, and relaxation. As you hear these affirmations of gratefulness, imagine the words pouring over you and flowing up towards the soles of your feet, gently massaging your physical and spiritual body inwards and radiating out from your heart. Allow the warm golden light that surrounds your body to circulate all around you. It brightens as you acknowledge it. It brightens as you sink into it. And it brightens as it comforts you, flowing back into your own body and mind. Now imagine a warm, inviting space in your heart. This space is dedicated to welcoming more gratitude into your life. Quietly in your mind, invite these expressions of gratitude in. I am grateful for my friends. I am grateful for my parents. I am grateful for my success. I am grateful for my ability to do anything I put my mind to. I am grateful for my heart's desires. I am grateful for my ability to stick to and achieve my goals. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my ability to give and receive love. I am grateful for my mental health. I am grateful for my physical health. I am grateful for my spiritual health. I am grateful for my mobility. I am grateful for the breath in my lungs. I am grateful for my beating heart and blinking eyes. I am grateful for all of my humanness. I am grateful that I can just be. I am grateful that I am unencumbered. I am grateful for my children. I am grateful for my mentors and mentees. I am grateful for ease. I am grateful for peace. I am grateful for rest. I am grateful for my creativity. I am grateful for my mental strength. I am grateful for the ability to release my trauma and the trauma of my ancestors. I am grateful for the strength of my ancestors that I possess. I am grateful for God. I am grateful that the universe operates in my favor. I am grateful for silence. I am grateful for my safety. I am grateful for the things I hear, see, smell, taste, touch, feel, and imagine. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my new experiences. I am grateful for my own company. I am grateful for movement. I am grateful for my work. I am grateful for my investments of money, time, and attention. I am grateful for my ability to read, write, and do arithmetic. I am grateful for my love, life, living partner. I am grateful for my business. I am grateful for my spouse. I am grateful for today. I am grateful for all the good things that have happened to me this week. I am grateful for belly laughs. I am grateful that I can be silly, giddy, serious, nerdy, happy, and fun. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful that I am a perfect reflection of God. I am grateful for my siblings. I am grateful that I can experience gratitude. I am grateful for the people that I have left in my life. I am grateful for the people I meet in passing. I am grateful for the people that have left my life. I am grateful for the people that have come back into my life. I am grateful for the new people that have entered my life. I am grateful for air, for the sun, for trees. I am grateful for the oceans and sand. I am grateful for grass, the flowers, and soil. I am grateful for the animals of the earth. I am grateful for all my blessings. I am grateful for all the thank yous I have received and given. I am grateful for transportation. I am grateful for my imagination. I am grateful for new experiences. I am grateful for my confidence. I am grateful for my ability to say no. I am grateful for my ability to say hell yes. I am grateful to realize my greatness. I am grateful for all that I have achieved. I am grateful for my happiness. I am grateful for my tears. I am grateful for all those who have passed. I am grateful for my connections. I am grateful for meditation. I am grateful for the food I eat. I am grateful for my coworkers. I am grateful for living on planet Earth. I am grateful for my intuition. I am grateful for my self-reflection. I am grateful for inspiration. I am grateful for music. I am grateful for dancing. I am grateful for fellowshipping. I am grateful for philanthropy. I am grateful for synchronicity. I am grateful for the opportunities I receive. I am grateful that my life has meaning. I am grateful for financial freedom. I am grateful that I have a lot to be thankful for. I am grateful for my divine gifts. I am grateful for my spiritual inheritance. I am grateful for my power. I am grateful for my privilege. I am grateful for good sleep. I am grateful for my emotions. I am grateful for sadness. I am grateful for faith. I am grateful for my spiritual practice. I am grateful for my lessons learned. I am grateful for all the birthdays I've celebrated and all the birthdays to come. I am grateful for unexpected positive outcomes. I am grateful for the lavish abundance of the universe. I am grateful for all the abundance and prosperity that has been given to me. I am grateful that I live in a friendly universe. I am grateful to be worry-free. I am grateful that I am operating at my highest and best self. I am grateful for my inner beauty and my outer beauty. I am grateful for my bed. I am grateful for my car. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my perspective. I am grateful for my trips. I am grateful for my travels. I am grateful for my mental toughness. I am grateful for the power to choose. I am grateful to be me. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Make a commitment to express gratitude more often in your daily life. The more you express gratitude, the more welcoming space in your heart grows, and the more abundance you invite into your life. Take a few more deep breaths. Wiggle your toes and your fingers and notice how your body feels. Do you feel a sense of energy, a sense of hopefulness flowing through you? As you go about your day, remember the warmth of gratitude in your heart and surrounding you, and the space you've created to welcome more of it. Let this meditation and these affirmations be a reminder that gratitude is a powerful force that can transform your life and the lives of those around you. Namaste. Support this community by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to stay updated with every new video release.